Good morning, Kimberly's Tagaytay's Hotel Reservation. This is Asher speaking. How can I help you? Yes, I'd like to reserve a room for the two, please. Before we proceed to this reservation process, may I know who is on this line, please? My name is Kiefer B. Serrano. Would you spell your first name for me, please? Sure. A-L-I-F-E-R. Thank you for information, Sir Serrano. May I know which date you would like to make your reservation po? I'm planning to visit Tagaytay on 25 until 27th of April. Do you have any room? Yes, we have several rooms available for that day, sir. May I know what type of room, Sir Serrano, would you like to stay? Do you have any premium rooms? Yes, sir. We have a premium room, sir. Okay, goods. Okay, sir. You didn't know that we have a new room rate, sir? Did you find that acceptable, Sir Serrano? Tell me the rates so I can make a decision. For a premium room, we have price 6,405, Sir Serrano, per room and per night. That's a good price. Now, as for your room, Sir Serrano, do you prefer smoking or non-smoking? Definitely non-smoking. I can handle that smell. Okay, non-smoking. Now, it's your bed is queen size bedroom. It's okay? Ah, queen. Sounds great. Now, would you prefer to have a room with the view of Taal Lake? If that type of room is available, I would love to have a Taal Lake view. Great! Would you like to confirm your reservation, Sir Serrano? Yes. Would you like to confirm the reservation? Can I have the name of the person who will be staying, Sir Serrano? Mr. and Mrs. Serrano. Okay, sir. Give me one more second, Sir Serrano. Your reservation is now verified. So you need to know is your phone number. It's 0929-106-8126. Let me repeat that. 0929-106-8126. Okay, Sir Serrano. How about the bill be settled? Do you accept payment by BDO cards? Yes, Sir Serrano. Now, I will need your credit card information that reserved the room for you. What type of card it is? BDO, the number is 987654321. And what is the name of the credit card holder? Kiefer B. Serrano. Great, Sir Serrano. Your reservation has been made for the 25 until 27 of April for a premium room with a queen size bed and of course with a view of the Taal Lake. Okay, the bill will be settled by BDO amount to 12,810. Check-in is at 12 o'clock. Is the correct, Sir Serrano? Yes, that's all correct. Okay, sir. We have information for you about our 6 o'clock policy. To be advanced, to you have a check-in not so late than 6 p.m. Others than the hotel reserve the right to give the room to others guests. Noted. Thank you for the information. Sir, is there anything I can do for you, Sir Serrano? No thanks. That would be all. Thank you, Sir Serrano, for calling. We'll see you in April. Have a nice day.